inside the real estate market. Hi there, I'm Jamie Johnston, broker owner of Remax Condos Plus. Kitec is a brand of plastic piping used in residential construction from 1995 to 2007. That means most condo buildings built in that time frame have used it. Kitec is vulnerable to premature failure, and many buildings and condo owners have elected to replace it before it causes severe water damage. So what should you do? When you discover the existence in a status certificate, I would not reject buying the condo outright. You may never find the right property for you. If it is just in the condo unit, the cost to replace is about $5,000 to $10,000. So why not do an amendment to reduce the purchase price by that amount? If Kitec is in the common condo areas, to replace that will require a special assessment of each condo owner of about $3,000 to $5,000. Again, why not do an amendment to reduce the purchase price by that amount? Kitec is not a deal breaker. You just have to use care. That's why you should always work with a condo professional to help get the right documentation. I'm Jamie Johnston.